Hello friends, today we will discuss about square root of any number. This technique can be used in various examinations, in various competitive examinations like GATE, CAT, CET, in MPSC, UPSC, Police Bharti, BSNL, etc. Okay, now we have the numbers that is 1 to 10. Now we have to write the square of these numbers. Square of 1 is 1. Square of 2 is 2, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25, 6, 36, 7, 49, 8, 64, 9, 81 and 10, 100. Now we have to write here the last digit, that is 1 has 1, 4 as it is, 9 will be as it is, 16 has 6 as its last digit, this will be 5, for 36 it will be 6, for 49 it will be 9, for 64 it will be 4, and for 81 it will be 1, and for 100 it will be 0. Isn't it? Now the same last digit will be, that is 5, for 36 it will be 6, for 1 it will be 1, and for 10 it will be 100. Means if 1, 5, 6 and 0 is the last digit of any number, then the square ends with the same number. Okay, now we will consider these two numbers. Okay, that is 4 and this 4. Means 2 and 8 is having same number, that is 4. Now we have this 9 and this 9, means 3 and 7 ends with a digit, that is 9. Now we have another number, that is 4 and 6. This will be 4 ends with 6, and this is 6 ends with again 6. So 4 and 6 ends with 6 is the last digit number. Okay, now with this we can say that the number having 2 and 8, the last digits, ends with 4 as a last digit with its square. Similarly 1 and 9. Okay, similarly we have 1 and 9 for its last digits, which ends with 1. Okay, now we will take an examples based on these numbers. We have to remember this table to solve the questions. Now here we have to find the square root of 1369. 1369. Now consider the last two digits. It will be 69. Now 9 here and here 9 is also present. So the number will be what? 3 or 7. So 3 or 7 will be its last digit. Okay. Now consider about this 13. Okay. So 13 comes in between 9 and 16. So take smaller number, that is 9, whose square root is 3. It will be 3. Now next digit of 3 will be what? 4, and the multiplication will be 12. Okay. Now this 13 is smaller or bigger to 12? That is bigger. So consider bigger number from 3 and 7. So this will be 7. So the answer will be 37. Isn't it? Now we will see the next question. Find square root of 4096. Now consider last two digit, that is 96. If 6 comes at last, then 4 and 6 will be the possibility for the last number. Okay. Now remaining is two digits are 40. So 40 comes in between 36 and 49, which one is smaller? 36 is smaller. 36 have its square root 6, so we have to take here 6. Next digit of 6 is what? 7, and the multiplication will be 42. Now this 40 is smaller to 42, so smaller number among 4 and 6 is 4, so we have to write here 4. So answer is what? The 64. Okay. Now here we have to find the square root of 7921. Now write here 7921. Take last two digits, that is 21. So if 1 is there, then we have to consider what? This 1 or this 9. So we don't know 1 or 9, isn't it? Now the remaining digit is what? 79. So 79 comes in between 64 and 81. So smaller number is 64, having 8 is square root. Okay. Now take next number of 8 is 9. The multiplication will be 72. Okay. Now this 79 is smaller or bigger to 72? That is bigger. So we have to consider bigger number from 1 and 9. So 9 will be the bigger one. So 89 will be our answer. Okay. Now next, square root of 8649 will be last two digits. So we have to consider 3, either 3 or 7. Now we have to consider the 86. 86 comes in between 81 and 100. We have to consider what? 9 here. So 9 has 10 its next number. Multiplication will be what? 90. Now this 86 is smaller to 90. So 3 is smaller among 7 and 3. Okay. So we have to write here 3. So your answer will be what? 93. Now we will solve this next example, that is square root of 15,129. Similar procedure. Consider last two digits. We have to consider 3 or what? 7. 3 3s are 9, 7 7s are 49. Right? Now remaining is what? 151. We know the square of 100, 10, that is 100, 11 is 121, and 12 is having 144. Okay. Now 151 comes in what? 144 and 169. So we have to consider what? 12 here. Okay. Now this 12, if we multiply it with 13, then the answer will be 6 to 156. Okay. Now this 151 is smaller to 156. Now we have to consider the smaller number from 3 and 7. So the answer will be 123 is the answer. Okay. Now next question, we have to find the square root of 2209. Okay. Consider the last two digits. So the number ends with what? 3, either or 7. Okay. Now 22 is the remaining digit. 22 comes in between 16 and 25. Okay. Now the smaller number is 16, has square root 4. So we have to write here 4, and next digit will be 5. The multiplication will be what? 20. Now the 22 is what? Bigger as compared to 20. So 7 is bigger as compared to what? 3 and 7. So your answer will be what? The 47. Now we have to solve the square root of 12,996. 12,996. Consider last two digits, that is 96. So the number ends with either 4 or 6. Now we have to consider this 129. 1 has what? 121. 12 has 144, and 13 has what? 169. Now this 129 comes in between what? 11 and 12. The smaller number will be what? The 11. So we have to write here 11. Next number will be 12. The multiplication will be what? 12 ones are 2 and 1 is remaining, and is what? 13. So 132. So 129 smaller to 132. Okay, so the smaller number will be 4 among 4 and 6. So your answer will be what? 114 is your answer. Okay, now I will give you one task. You have to solve this. Okay, you have to find the square root of that is 23104. Okay, now you have to solve this and you have to give the answer in our comment box. Okay, if you like this video, then subscribe our channel and like and comment for the video. Thank you.